Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact error text and the function or API call involved. Once you have logs and a minimal reproducible case, inspect the argument types and shapes. Mismatched types or nulls are common. Make sure to compare the call site to the API or function signature and note defaults or optional flags. If inputs come from external sources, validate their schema now. This first step prevents wasted time chasing downstream symptoms instead of the actual parameter mismatch. You now trace how the parameter travels through your system and log values at each handoff so you can spot transformations or truncation. If the value is numeric, confirm units and conversions. If string, check encoding and trimming. Once you detect a mismatch, inspect typecasting, deserialization, or middleware that alters data. Run focused unit tests or assert statements to lock the problem down, and once reproducible in isolation, you can safely plan the fix without impacting other components. You implement the minimal, precise fix, correct typecasting, enforce validation, or update the function signature to accept expected inputs, and then add unit and integration tests to cover the case. Once done, deploy to staging and run the reproducible test there, making sure to monitor logs and error metrics. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: revert to the minimal reproducible test and bisect recent commits or config changes to isolate the regression before reapplying fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.